So guys, good morning. Mag-update tayo. Okay guys, so ito yung mga nahuhulog last time. So, hindi naman siya nahulog pero mahulog niya because of the weather. So, ibaba na natin para wala tayong problema. No? We need to put it down. Para hindi tayo guys. Hindi tayo problema sa pressure ng hangin. So, actually, today, ito ang pinaka-today. Pin-off ko siya kasi hindi naman siya nabila. So, ayan, naka-off siya. So, lilinisan lang yan sa later kasi hindi na natin kaya where can I put my microphone? Dali. Okay, so ayan. Ito yung natin, sana wag siyang mahulog sa hangin kasi malakas daw ang hangin. So, may doubt ako na baka mahulog. So, kukunin ko yata sila and then itatabi ko sila sa another area. Ito guys, nakalock na to. So, hindi na tayo pupunta doon sa likod kasi nakikita niyo naman. Kasi nakalock na yung door natin. Ang orchids natin na mulaklak. Mulaklak na naman siya guys. Ayan. So, good for you. So, ito yung sitwasyon natin for the moment. So, ayan. May shelter tayo dito for the wind. Pero ang wind, pumapasok dito, pero makalabas siya doon. Yan ang sistema para may lalabasan siya. So, we left the table empty. Ayan. So, yung mga upuan na yan, mga single chairs, namin yan. Itatabi. Kasi we are still checking. Umulan kaninang umaga, guys. Mga 6 o'clock siguro. So, today, ang bagyo na U1 or U1, pumasok na yata sa Philippine Area of Responsibility. So, nasa Pilipinas na siya. So, preparing na kami for everything that's we don't need to secure. Nakasecure na lahat, no? Nakaalambre na lahat, guys. So, ganito siya at the moment. Calm siya, guys, ha? Pero may ulan na tayo kanina. Ang contemplating dito, guys, is hangin na malakas. So, we are trying to secure everything. Kasi yung bagyong si Tony, yun, medyo malakas yun, guys, ang hangin. Saka umikot siya. So, we're hoping na hindi tayo magkaganyan. At saka kalmante lang dito. Pero ang tailwind ng bagyong U1 or U1, medyo malaki. Alright, so, tayo guys? Ayan, ang video natin before and after. So, ayan, nakasecured naman sila. I'm hoping na nakasecured na ito, ang mga to. Hindi nalilipad. We never know. Try our best. Sige. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Diyan ko na lang linagay. Wala namang gagamit dito. At least, mababa siya. Masecure. Baka magliparan siya mamaya sa hangin. So, ito, wala tayong magawa. Mabigat ito. This is really heavy. So, very good. No? Okay. So, yung mga upuan na yan, ko rin. I'm going to, so, nakasecured na ng alambre, guys. Itong mga halaman. Ayan, kasi natumba ito eh. Ito, okay na to. Hindi na tumba. Walang hangin. Ito na lang yung upuan. Ito guys, to siya na natumba ng hangin. So, dapat ito iayusin ko muna siya. Itong nahulog din. So, ayan guys, ito lang. Para hindi ko sure sa sitwasyon niya. Kung liliparin pa siya. Para hindi ko sigurado sa kanya. Yan. Okay. The plants, si Mama Mary. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, sinuha ko lang yung ladder. So, ayan na siya. Baka liliparin kasi medyo magaan. And then we'll get that one. So guys, ayan. Hopefully, hindi siya lilipad ang nipa. Ayan. Nakasecured. Tapos ito. Itong upuan na to, I got a feeling na mag-ano siya guys. So, tumbahin na natin. Ayan. Tumbahin na siya. Diyan na siya. Ka-clip. Ayun. Hindi yung mga upuan dyan na. We leave it there. Ito. Naka-clip na rin yan dyan. Ito, iwanan natin yan dito. Kasi hindi naman siya nababasa dito. This one is okay. Huwag lang tayo magkaroon ng wind na very severe. Okay, yan dyan siya guys. So, right. Ito mga mabibigat. Ito, baka ito tapon niya ba? Bigat masyado. So, I'm hoping na hindi sila mabasag. Yung mga ganyan. Medyo magaan guys. Ilipat na lang natin. Here. Ilipat na natin sa baba. Ayan, para hindi na tayo magproblema. Kasi pag ang hangin, lakas, dadalhin niya yan. Ayan, dyan ka sa loob. So, ito, kunin natin yan. Put there. So, ayan, pwede na yan siya. Naka-off yung dito sa taas. We turn everything off. May wifi kami dito guys, sa taas. Okay. We covered it. Ayan. Ayan, na-covered na ni Bobo guys. May wifi dyan. Ipakita ko na sa inyo next time. Kasi naka-cover na ni Bobo. Kunin natin ang camera holder natin. Kasi baka anuhin niya. Itatapon niya. So, ito ilalagay ko sa ilalim. Na para hindi na niya dito. Dito tayo. Hanap lang tayo ng mga places na nakatuck-in sila properly. Yan, hindi na niya yan maano. Kasi, loose naman, loose natin. Ayan. Mabibigat ito. Ayan. May ano naman siya guys. May wind na lalabasan. Ang importante ang wind. Makakalabas siya para na may ventilation. Hindi siya masyadong masakit magano. Yan. Okay, ang itong mga hat, may kutob ako na, dito na lang siya sa, yan, dito na lang tayo magtago. Everything else is a bit heavy. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Umuulan guys, so I need to go down, ha? We shall see you guys sa ibaba na lang. Umuulan na, oh. Ayan, mag-start na siya ng rain, so let's go down. Okay guys, we done upstairs. It looks good. Tinitingnan ko sa camera. Makikita namin yung third floor namin sa camera. Pero, syempre, you need to have power. Pag wala ka ng power, hindi ka na makamonitor. So, ayun. Lagyan ko lang ito ng blue. Para magigit siya dyan. So, okay na. Naka-secure na tayo. Mag-shower muna ako guys. Kasi baka mawala na naman. Wala ng hot water. So, nag-rain. Parang gamay-gamay lang ang pasok niya. Pero I think raining na sa ibang part ng Philippines. So, preparing naman tayo sa bagyong uwan. Tapos, medyo malawak yung ano niya guys. Windtail. Ang windtail, something. So, medyo malawak siya. Prepare lang tayo sa hangin. Ang ano pa nito guys, pag mag-duet ito ng ulan. So, wala kami everybody na yung mga store nila nasa labas. Nag-close sila yung friends namin. Nag-close para ma-safe yung mga workers. Hindi kasi makauwi pag medyo maulanan tayo sa daan. Magbaha pa yung daan. So, everybody stay at home. So, ayan na. Marinig ko na guys ang ulan. So, we will just keep safe lang sa inyo lahat. And I shall update you in few minutes, no? Dito ako mag-relax. Relax ako ng blanket. Para na hindi yung bed. So, relax tayo. Naka-charge na. Yung ginamit ko kagabi na guys, na what you call, charger, yung power bank, tina-charge ko para sa phone. I got 4-5 so far. So ayan, nag-attend lang kami ng 18th birthday yesterday. Pero let's talk about it in a different video kasi ito ang video na i-update ko kayo sa ulan sa Bagyo. Okay? Alright guys, ayan, maririnig ko na siya. Yung ulan, pumapasok na guys, okay? Update you guys in few minutes. Maligo muna ako bago tayo ma-brown out ulit. So guys, time check. Wala na naman akong network dito. Ay, hindi ko pa naayos. Guys, I have to put the glue sa headboard. And then, time check. Alas 2 na yata, guys. But I am eating my lunch. I have spaghetti and bread. This is from Bread Talk. Bread with cheese. Ayan, so let's eat, guys. Kain muna tayo din. Pahinga a little bit. We'll take a break a little bit. We were gonna go to the mall, but Daddy didn't wanna go, so I don't know when is he gonna go. We're gonna go when the storm hits. We still got the sun at the moment, guys, so let's cross fingers. But I got a feeling that it's gonna come at nighttime when everybody is asleep. It's very sad. I hope it's not gonna hit Bacolod too much. You know, a little bit of wind we can manage, but I don't know if there are still more places that it can get damaged, like the light structure houses. We'll see. But for the moment, guys, let's eat first. Okay, Daddy, filming.
The boys, instead of having the chainsaw, they use a hatchet.
To cut.
Got the squatters over there. They all clean their bananas and everything.
Oh, no more bananas?
No more banana. They're all
Squatters. Okay.
That'd be finished if they had a chainsaw.
Guys, they have we have no chainsaw, man. We cannot lend to them because our chainsaw is no good. Guys, we are in our, I think it's entering the section because this tree is moving. Okay, look. Oh yeah. We are watching the wind. We're gonna keep watching the wind, guys, according to the trees here. So guys, good morning. Ano na tayo ngayon? It's Sunday. So nagluto ako, guys, ng adobo. Ayan. Nag-order ako ng pork dito sa subdivision namin. May nagbibenta. So ang hangin, guys, lumalakas na. Okay, and then I got parcel. So, buksan na lang natin later. Mag-lunch muna kami ni Daddy. Kasi, hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. So, we're just having lunch now. Hi, how's the food? Sarap. Food, eating adobo and rice for lunch. Quickly cook it. Okay. Ano naman ako, guys? Oh, another one. Ay. Kain muna tayo.
That was quick for the generators.
We're waiting for our power banks sa power stations, but it's not here, so kain, guys. So the door is good. The door is good. Coke tayo. Coke tayo, guys. Coke. Let's eat. Here we go, guys. Storm 01. Yeah. Just come about a minute ago. There we go. Third floor, okay, babe? Just monitoring, guys, na mahulog na po, cover. Wow. Wait. I wanna go out because I wanna cover your stereo. I wanna wait until this one comes. cool down a bit. Because our front door is getting wet. Okay guys, so that's so far how strong our CCTV is trying to hang on. There we go. Here we go, here we go. This is storm Uwan after the storm Tino. It's the second one. So we'll just monitor the strength. We'll be right. So guys, good evening. Ayan si Daddy. Hindi na natin nakita. Naglinis siya ng guys, third floor. Kasi nag-stuck yung mga leaves. Siya guys, oh, si Daddy basa siya. Kasi lumakas yung ulan. The rain got heavier. Daddy is soaking wet.
Help, please.
Wait lang guys. Towel ni Dad. There you go, Daddy. He fixed the
I don't
drain.
know if it's going to make a difference, but
Did you get some leaves?
Yeah.
Okay. That should make. Because that's what happened before Daddy. We got as well and then it got cleared out. See, it's going down?
yeah.
Yeah. Is that plenty of water?
Oh, yeah.
Nice one, guys.
Have to take the drink.
So, ayan guys. The rain is continuing. We can hear the sound a little bit. It's not very loud because our floor is concrete. But we can hear from our canopy, which is thin, and we put a nipa. So, that's the sign that we can hear the rain. But without them, you cannot hear the rain because of the concrete. So yeah, so this is now the storm Uwan. It's actually landfall on the other side in Luzon. So this is now the tail. It's a lot of wind. It's strong wind. And some other places here in Negros, they already got flooded already tonight. So it's very sad how two storms in 1 week. I was so nervous because when I saw the picture in the weather bureau, it's very big. So I was thinking, oh my goodness. But I think we haven't finished yet until tomorrow morning. So we might be expecting more rain. We're just monitoring our third floor because our drain got leaves. We got a drain, drainer, and it had leaves, so Daddy had to take it out. I think it's stopped now. I think the water came down, Dad.
Yeah, it's going down.
Oh, you can see na.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it came down. It's that monitoring there. So, I will update you guys with the news for our guys, we will update you with our not situation because it's not really sort of, we cannot really feel the one here in our area except for the strong winds. There's a rain coming, but not the same as the other one, but sometimes the wind is strong, so I don't know. So I will update you. It's dark, so I can't show you the surroundings, but this is a stormy night, one of the strongest storm we have apparently. So we'll just update you guys of our situation here. Guys, the CCTV, so the water there had gone. Well, that's only the drops now, and it's very, very strong, the rain outside, and wind, it comes and go. So ayan guys, we are just watching YouTube while we have internet, because the other day, 4 days ago, it went no internet. So at the moment the internet is hanging on. We can't see outside, but we can hear the The slushing of the rain. Oh, you can see this is the I don't like the storm. If they come at night time, I cannot see. I like the storm when they pass us during the day, like the morning or afternoon. It's okay, but nighttime no, because you can't see anything. You can't monitor anything. It's a bit hard for us. So yeah, so I'm just listening for the noise. Oh, Daddy got a sandwich. It's okay. What about? Hi? Huh? Okay. Yeah, the water down bit. That's only what's falling down. It's just making the monitor bigger in the third floor, guys, so we can see what's happening up there. Because that's the floor that we need to watch what's going on there. Yeah, so that's our sort of area that we need to look out for during the stormy season. Everything is tied up there, so I need to get some rope so I can tie up everything together, the chair, the table, and everything, so they don't fly out. Everything tied together. That's what I need to do. So yeah, this is what we have to do during the storm season. So anyway, we have time actually to prepare. So if we don't ignore the warning of the government, we have a better chance of securing our stuff. So I'm hoping that tonight, when the storm is passing, it's not gonna bring a lot of too much wind. See, it's very, very strong. You can see the monitor. Oh my goodness, 2 in 1 week. So you seen us how we prepare, and this is much I can show you with the storm and the pressure of it. So guys, we will see you guys tomorrow. And this is Cindy from Bacolod City, and I married a foreigner. That's our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give our video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to check on us every now and then. How are we going here in the Philippines? And the headboard is fixed there. I fixed it. I put the glue at the back, so it looks better. It's like a hotel. Our headboard, but we just made it ourselves. Our bed hasn't come. We ordered two twin pillow top and bottom. So because of the storm, our bed delivery is delayed, but this is okay. This is a set of a bed that we have. We're just gonna replace the top, so to make it feel a little bit better to sleep. This is actually a nice bed. I like this bed, but you know, I don't know why I bought the other one, because I think it convinced me with a pillow top, because that is the bed that we use in Australia. So guys, enjoy your day wherever you are. I hope that you don't have a storm in your place, which Philippines are experiencing at the moment. We are just praying for everybody to be safe after all of this happen. And yeah, this is our life in Bacolod City. So we shall see you guys in our next vlog. Hope that you can come and visit us again here in Bacolod City. Bye guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.